Yeah, you know where to find Dole Whip and churros in Disney World, but you won't find the food in this video on the menu. You gotta be in the know, and after you watch this video, you will be. Hey everybody, it's AJ for Disney Food Vlog. Want to feel like a Disney pro? Well, there's nothing quite like knowing exactly where you can find some top secret snacks that no one else knows about in Disney World. Today I'm going to dish on all the secret foods and drinks you'll find in the parks and resorts. Oh, and if you want a copy of this list, you can get the full thing to print out and bring on your trip for a quick cheat sheet by heading to disneyfoodblog.com/secret-menu. By dropping your email, we'll also sign you up for our totally free newsletter so you can stay in the know about any new secret menu dishes that pop up in Disney World and all the other news and fun stuff we send to our newsletter subscribers. All right, let's go to one of our favorite places in Disney World, Nomad Lounge. Now, we tout Nomad Lounge and Animal Kingdom a lot here on the channel, but this lounge seriously has it all. Phenomenal design, relaxing outdoor seating, a killer food and drink menu that sometimes includes some secret menu items. In the past, we've seen secret menu items that are exclusive to annual pass holders, so double secret and exclusive. We've seen fish tacos, ribs, and other dishes pop up on little placards at this lounge, or we've been tipped off by our server of a new special not in print. Another top secret tip, if you're at a lounge that's connected to a full restaurant, like how Nomad Lounge is attached to Tiffin's, you may be able to order off the full restaurant menu. Just ask your server if you can. All right, heading over to Restaurantsaurus Lounge. A lot of you don't even know Restaurantsaurus Lounge exists, I bet. It's one of those weird, super random things that just pops up in Disney World so they can sell more alcohol. Restaurantasaurus and the Restaurantasaurus Lounge in Disney's Animal Kingdom also sometimes have exclusive annual pass holder secret menu drinks and snacks. We've seen a Scotch egg here, and more recently a whole lineup of off-menu cocktails for Earth Month. The secret raspberry fizz cocktail made with Bacardi Raz, Sprite, and cranberry juice and garnished with a strawberry. The Tealosaurus is Buffalo Trace bourbon whiskey with blue curacao, triple sec, lemon juice, and lemonade, a real classic Disney World cocktail there. Off-menu cocktails are common at the lounge, so it's worth a stop if you're looking for something unique that you've never tried before. And if you're wondering where Restaurantasaurus Lounge is, just head over to Dinoland. Restaurantasaurus is the giant counter service, quick service, fast food restaurant in Dinoland, and they basically cordoned off one of the dining rooms and made it into a lounge. They could sell alcohol. There you go. That's where it is. All right, now we're going to talk about spiked milkshakes. Sometimes you can score a secret menu item that gives a regular menu item an extra kick. Now, case in point, the super popular PB&J milkshake. You're going to find this on the menu at 50's Primetime Cafe. But if you don't want to deal with a full table service reservation, you can get it next door at the Tune-In Lounge when it's open, where you can also order it spiked. This is another lounge where you can order off the full menu from the neighboring restaurant. And although a lot of people know about the peanut butter and jelly milkshake, they do not know you can get it with a kick. You can get it spiked. So absolutely, for a few extra bucks, you can get alcohol in that iconic milkshake. All right, we're headed over to Magic Kingdom to Skipper Canteen for the next two on this list. The secret menu item at Skipper Canteen in Adventureland has actually made our best eats list of 2021, so you know this one is good. The Pau de Queijo is an appetizer of delicious cheesy bread with chimichurri and poblano cream cheese on the side. But Skipper Canteen doesn't offer just one secret menu dish. They also have pork satay skewers, which is grilled pork in a soy ginger sauce alongside a slaw made of lettuce, carrots, and pickled onion. Plus, they sometimes have 3 secret sangrias as well. The Cerulean Blue Sangria is a Riesling white wine with hints of orange. Passion fruit sangria made with passion fruit, pineapple, and Prosecco, and the frosty pineapple drink is Prosecco wine infused with pineapple and apple flavors. Remember, you can only get beer or wine at Magic Kingdom table service restaurants, but ask your server about any specialty sangrias the next time you dine here. Okay, also in Magic Kingdom, sometimes a secret menu item is an add-on that will make an on-menu item taste even better, like the secret sauce at the spring roll cart in Adventureland. This dipping sauce for your spring rolls is mayo-based, so it's sort of like an aioli with a bit of ranch dressing vibe. We think this one pairs perfectly with the cheeseburger spring roll, but if you're a ranch on pizza person, then try it with the pepperoni pizza spring rolls too. Now heading over to Epcot, the frozen brown elephant originally made its debut at the Refreshment Outpost during the Food and Wine Festival back in 2013. It's a frozen mix of Coca-Cola with milk and creamy amarula liqueur that stuck around as a regular menu item for quite a while. Now, this one isn't officially on the menu, but if you spot amarula at the bar, they should be able to make one for you. You can special order drinks at most bars, with the notable exception of Oga's Cantina in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, where all of those drinks are pre-mixed. All right, also in Epcot, Choza de Margarita in Epcot's Mexico Pavilion has a lot of great drinks. So what could make them even better? A drink hack. Here you can order layered frozen margaritas to make your very own concoction, like we did with what we call the candy cane margarita. Layers of frozen lime and strawberry margarita to mimic the classic stripes of a candy cane. So even though those layered margaritas are not on the menu, you can request them with your cast member. All right, now Gideons Bakehouse in Disney Springs is somewhere you must go when you're in Disney World unless you hate cookies and you hate cake and fun. Now, they're famous for their half-pound, fully loaded cookies, but they also have cake slices that are only available on weekends. And they often test out new flavors and snacks, like the cake dip we saw last month. And you'll only know about those secret items if you follow them or us on Instagram or Facebook. They may even have a password for the extremely limited secret slices, so you've really got to be in the know for these secret snacks. Definitely go give them a follow on Instagram. All right, some secret menu items are listed on a menu, just not the one you might find at the restaurant, which makes them pretty secret. If you check the menus for dining locations on the Walt Disney World website, you may find some not so secret menu items listed online, and that's the only place that they're listed. Like the double chocolate waffle sundae and matcha affogato at Vivoli Il Gelato in Disney Springs. So don't just look at the menus at the restaurant, check the menus online as well, because they may have extra things that the menu at the restaurant doesn't show. You can also find some secret menu items in the mobile order section of the My Disney Experience app. We've seen them pop up at restaurants in the parks, but one location that nearly always has a secret menu is Deluxe Burger in Disney Springs. That's where you're going to find the bacon and blue burger and the strawberry shortcake gelato shake, the pizza burger. We've seen as many as 8 secret menu items at one time at Deluxe. Now, these items are typically limited time offerings, so you may need to act fast if you see them. And also in Disney Springs, Chef Art Smith's Homecoming has some great food, but you can also order some fun secret drinks at their Moonshine Bar. The Gray Nissan cocktail is a mix of blue hooch and strawberry lemonade moonshine, which when stirred together in a cup turns a murky shade of gray. Now, since the Gray Nissan is not an official menu item, you'll have to ask for a combination of the two drinks, but despite its color, it is really delicious. Now, another Disney Springs restaurant offers up 4 secret menu drinks. We're talking about Jock Lindseys Hangar Bar. They have the Lucky Lindy, which is by Joe Dragonfire Jameson. That baby's got chili in it, with hibiscus, lime juice, pineapple, and white cranberry juice, so it's floral and sweet with a kick. The Bully Mammoth takes Jock Lindseys Teddy Tea, a non-alcoholic specialty drink that features green tea with mint and tangerine, and throws in some mandarin vodka, very fresh and citrusy. The Starry Night Mojito kicks up your everyday mojito with Star African rum, and the Oxygen Tank pairs the non-alcoholic Diving Bell, that's a lemonade and watermelon combo, with watermelon vodka, so there's big cotton candy vibes in that one. Jock Lindseys also occasionally has some snacks on that secret menu too, like some off-menu fries with garlic ranch, marinated in malt vinegar, and then fried to a perfect crispy texture. They were amazing. All right, now if you're a cupcake connoisseur, which I know a lot of you are, you may already know that Sprinkles has a location in Disney Springs. But if you're a secret menu hunter, you'll be happy to hear that there are often off-menu flavors in the bakery case as well. So be sure to take a look and don't just order on the menu. Now, Starbucks lovers, this next one is for you. You can actually order these at any Starbucks location, including those in Disney World. Creature Comforts in Animal Kingdom, Main Street Bakery in Magic Kingdom, Travelers Cafe in Epcot, and the Trolley Car Cafe in Disney's Hollywood Studios, along with 2 locations in Disney Springs. Now, we've seen the Maleficent Frappuccino, Star Wars-inspired drinks, and we've even made our own Raya and the Last Dragon-inspired Starbucks drinks. We've got the step-by-step how-to over at DisneyFoodBlog.com, so you know just what to ask for to get your character-inspired Starbucks drink. All right, now Disney's resorts often have some fun exclusive drinks, but a few bars and lounges have items that you won't find on the menu and you won't find anywhere else. The Shadow at Bellevue Lounge at Boardwalk Inn, this is a classic one, a mixture of Chambord, Godiva chocolate liqueur, vanilla vodka, and heavy cream. It's as much a dessert as it is a cocktail, and it is delicious. The Melon Margarita over at Barcelona Lounge at Coronado Springs Grand Destino Tower is a delicious option, but secret cocktails change up almost monthly at this lounge, and we've had quite a few good ones, so it's definitely worth it to ask your bartender. Now, Gurgling Suitcase at Old Key West has the Slappy Joe's Bourbon Berry Lemonade. That's Woodford Reserve Bourbon, Blackberry Brandy, Odwalla Lemonade, and a splash of grenadine. Now, they may have switched out the Odwalla, I'm not sure, but it will still have lemonade. And the Blue Wilderness at Geyser Point at Wilderness Lodge is made of Zodiac Black Cherry Vodka, pineapple juice, and lemon, and of course, Blue Curacao, which is in basically every Disney cocktail. This is the only place you'll find Zodiac vodka in Disney World as well. All right, now while Ohana at the Polynesian Village Resort remains closed, the Kona Cafe is occasionally serving the spot's famous Ohana bread pudding. And you can also get it at our all-time favorite secret menu locale, Tambu Lounge. It's not exactly the same right now, it's missing its bananas, but it is close enough that we don't have any complaints. Once Ohana is open again, you may also be able to get some of their other menu items, like those teriyaki noodles, at the Tambu Lounge as well. All right, we're going to talk about the spiked Kakamora. This one is also at the Polynesian Village Resort outside at the Barefoot Pool Bar. This unofficial menu item started as a DFB hack based on the non-alcoholic Kakamora float, one of our favorite snacks in Magic Kingdom, so of course we wanted to turn it into a drink. It's a mix of Parrot Bay coconut rum, pineapple juice, pina colada mix, and blue curacao. This one has actually just officially made the menu at Barefoot Pool Bar. Our original hack was missing the Dole Whip, but now they carry it at Barefoot Pool Bar. So the official version is made with Parrot Bay coconut rum, blended with cream of coconut and pineapple juice, layered with pineapple Dole Whip and blue curacao. Now you can just go ahead and order the Voyager and you'll get our secret menu spiked Kakamora float. All right, so those are the secret menus happening now in Disney World, but you know, a lot of the restaurants are closed there at the moment. A lot of the menus are limited at the moment. So we're going to tell you about a few secret menus from the past that may just make their way back to Disney World. So I want to make sure you're aware of them. So if you happen to be there later this year, next year, the next year, maybe you're watching this in 2024. Hi to you in the future. It's great to see you. I hope everything's great. Then you may look out for some of these secret menus when you're there. So All Star Movies is home to one of the most fun secret menus we've ever seen in Disney World. If you ask for the secret menu there, you'll be brought a briefcase with viewfinders that you use. By the way, kids, if you don't know what viewfinders are, ask your mom and dad. And you can use those to view the menu that includes a cinnamon roll burger, yes, a burger on a cinnamon roll, as well as a couple of other options. Now, another favorite of mine, the Nachos Rio Grande Challenge, that used to happen at Pecos Bills in Magic Kingdom. It was so fun. A massive pile of nachos with all the fixin'. When I mean a massive pile, I mean like a platter the size of like an extra large pizza that was piled high with nachos. And then of course it was complete with drinks, VIP seating at Pecos Bills, a special ceremony to ring in the challenge with all of the cast members coming out. It was a whole experience and so much fun. So I really hope they bring that back. And sometimes secret menu items are as simple as making a substitution on your entree, like I often do at Gico. For a while, they offered their filet with mac and cheese, but when that exact dish isn't on the menu, you can usually ask to swap out your side for the mac and cheese, which is always around in the kitchen. Now, Gico at Animal Kingdom Lodge may still be closed, but here's hoping this dish returns when the restaurant does. I can almost guarantee that it will, because it is absolutely one of their most popular dishes. And the Grand Floridian Cafe is a spot that has such killer secret menu items, they sometimes end up on the actual menu. Most recently is the seasonal soup. Last time we were there, it was tomato bisque, which is now officially listed as a menu item, but before that, we hacked a chicken and waffle dish that made its way to the full brunch menu, making it way easier for others to order. So while secret menu items may change, this guide can help you know where to look or what to ask for if you're looking for something that no one else knows about. Now, as always, we will reiterate, it's always our goal to not make things harder on the cast members than they already are. So please do not order strange and weird secret menu items that will make cast members have to work much, much harder. Most of these are already kind of on secret menus. They're very used to putting them together and serving them in these locations. So just keep your wits about you on that. If things are super, super busy, just go with the straight menu. Now, do you have a favorite secret menu item in Disney World? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about it. And don't forget to get your copy of this full list over at disneyfoodblog.com/secret menu. Thank you, everybody, for listening. Thanks for watching. As always, this is AJ for Disney Food Blog, and we'll see you real soon.